Hello everyone, Michael Lee here from BBRY for you. Today I'm bringing you the review of the new OnePlus 6. This is the mirror black version. You can see it's a shiny version. So you can see the camera at the back and the fingerprint sensor. So this phone actually has a very fast fingerprint sensor. You can see another thing that this phone has is a notch. So there's a notch just like the iPhone X. In fact, most 2018 phones, Android phones, will have a notch these days. Okay, now you can see that this phone actually has a single speaker at the bottom. I'm sure you can see it. Okay, so it also comes with a headphone jack. On the right you have the silent mode, okay, and then the power button, and on the left you have the volume button, okay, and at the top you have the microphone. So this phone is actually a very nice phone, okay, a very big aspect ratio, 83.3 body ratio. It has a smaller bezel at the bottom. So yeah, so I find this phone is very nice and very classy. That's about my first review for this phone. I'll use it for 1 week and then I'll do another full review after 1 week of using it. Thank you all.